So, amo na gigamano is balay. So, amo gigamit ani is carton. So, ang carton is libre na. Then, secondly, we use popsicle that is big than the other one popsicles. The second is the small popsicles. Then, the barbecue stick. And then the lower is cartoons. Then the small rocks and overall oral shop. So, mama. So, ang stick ko, ma'am, is tuha ka buok na place. Ayun, ang popsicle stick is kuan tag-20 so tuha ako na palit. Tago ay kandila stick ko, so ang total is 65. Materials and classifications. First is lumber. Ang size niya is 4 at 2 by 4 wood planks. Then, anak plywood sheet. Kaning sa glass panel. Then, naman sa iyang ground. Then, gravel and sand mo na iipon sa naman ay sagot sa naman balong mo matiyang sa niya. Then, nail and screw. Iyang ato kay iyang roofing sheets and paint niya.
So, the materials application stimulations, here's the material is lumber, 2 by 4 planks. Ang quantity used niya is 30 pieces and price is 180. So, ang estimate goes na mo 5,400. Then sa plywood, 20 sheets and ang price niya sa 550. So, bali, ang magkuha niya dito, ma'am, 11,000. Sa glass panels or fiberglass na mo, mamani siya, fiberglass na mo ang balay. Punong kabuok siya, ma'am, 6 panels and ang price niya is 600. Bali, ang estimated cost niya is 3,600. Sa cemento or cement, 20 bags and price niya is 270. Ang estimated cost is 5,400. Sa gravel is 3 cubic meters. So, bali, tag-iban siya, ma'am, tag 700. Yung estimated cost na mo is 2,100.
Pinapak ka?
Sa sand, cubic, yapon siya. So, bali, ang price niya is 500. Ang estimated cost na mo is 1,500 sa mga nails and screws. 40 kilograms, then 150 ang price niya. So, bali, ang ako nagkakuan ani is 600. Then sa paint na mo, ani kuan 7 gallons. And price niya is 1,300. Ang nakuha na mo is 9,000. Ang sa roofing sheet, 10 sheets, and ang price niya is 550. Dahil ang nakuha is 5,500. Sa total estimated cost niya is 34,200.
Okay, dapat mo kan. So the inventory table. So these are the materials used lumber. So the starting quantity is 35 pieces. So the quantity used is 30 pieces. So the remaining is 5 pieces. Then plywood sheets. So the starting quantity is 22 sheets. The quantity used is 20 sheets. So the remaining is 2 sheets. Then glass panels. So the starting quantity is six panels. So the quantity used is 6 panels. So the remaining is 0. Then the cement. Starting quantity is 22 bags. So the quantity used is 20 bags. So the remaining is 2 bags. Then gravel and sand. So the starting quantity is 6 cubic meters. So the quantity we use is 6 cubic meters. So the remaining is wala na. Then nails and sand. So the starting quantity is 5 kilograms. So the quantity used is 4 kilograms. So the remaining is 1 kilogram. Then the paint is 7 gallons. So the quantity used is 7 gallons. So remaining is 0. Then roofing sheet. So starting quantity is 12 sheets. So the quantity used 10 sheets. So the remaining is 2 sheets.
Okay? So, why, is that, mention mo dito sa mga ay good, di ba? Yung balay ko puro siminto. Ay good.
Overall, di ba, kanila dirikot, kayo, ang kanang salita na ako, hindi na ako kanang
Siminto. So, kila na ka room? Pwede yung 24,000 yung budget? Ito ka balay? Ang tayo, may ano, sa babaw, may tayo, mo na makigamit. Sa lalo mo na mo mag-try, tuloy na may siminto, unang okay. Kailan mo ang 50,000 yung budget kaya ang buwan ng aktor. 24,000 yung balay man na. Plus man na.
Although ako
Hindi pa rin yung budget. Okay, tayo. City house na rin.
na mahal man ang kahoy. Mahal man kahoy. Pero naka fiberglass.
Pero naka-fiberglass. Ay, fiberglass, ano ba? Isang ko lang. Ay, palit. Adilas, palit sa tuwaya. Yung pala is almost ano na siya. Recycle, dala, mga isang or di ka nag-upload, binahay ko sa isang Ang budget, hindi ko naman. Wala ka pa.